Oyen, the chubby orange cat with the funniest daily routine. He wakes up with a big stretch, washes his face, and brushes his teeth just like us. Then, Oyen cooks breakfast, but of course, something silly always happens. After eating, he enjoys gardening, watering plants, and even playing with butterflies. Later, Oyen plays, cleans the house, snacks on the sofa, and relaxes while watching TV. Finally, after a funny nap, Oyen ends his day happily, snuggled in bed with a smile.